Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an airport. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the airport staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How big can a liquid bottle be to go through airport security? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, this airport is so big. I feel a little lost.
Don't worry. I have done this many times. Just stay close to me.
Okay, there are so many people. Where do we even start?
We always start with the big board. Let's look at that one first.
That huge screen on the wall, it shows all the flights, right?
Yes, that is the departure board. It tells us the time, the gate, and the city.
It also says some words next to each flight. On time, delayed. What does delayed mean?
On time means the flight is not late. Delayed means it will leave later than planned.
Oh, I hope ours is on time. Let me find it. Oh, wait, look at this one.
Which one?
This flight, it leaves at 10 in the morning, but it arrives at 9 in the morning. 9.
Yes, 10 in the morning to 9 in the morning.
How can a plane arrive before it leaves? That makes no sense.
Good question. That is a fun little mystery.
A mystery? Tell me now, how is that even possible?
Not yet. Let's solve it later, by the time we reach the gate.
That is not fair. Okay, I will think about it.
While you think, look at the city names. See those 3 letters next to each one?
Yes, LAX and JFK. What are they?
Every airport in the world has a short code with 3 letters. It is faster than the full name.
So 3 letters mean one airport. Smart. How do they choose the letters?
Often they come from the city name. The people who work here use these codes all day.
I will remember that. Okay, I feel a little better now. Where to next?
Now we go check in. Follow me.
Hi, we are here to check in for our flight.
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go. Why do you need my passport?
For this flight, you are leaving the country. The passport shows who you are and where you are from.
I see. That makes sense.
Thank you. Let me check your name. Ellie Carter, is that right?
Yes, that is right.
Great. Do you have a bag to check in?
Yes, one big bag, and I will keep this small one with me.
Perfect. The small one is your carry-on. You take it on the plane.
Carry on. Okay, I will remember the word. Now, which seat can I have?
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
What is the difference?
A window seat is by the window. You can see the clouds and the city below.
And the aisle seat?
An aisle seat is by the path. It is easy to stand up and walk around.
Oh, I want the window. I love looking outside.
A window seat it is. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. Can I also save it on my phone?
Yes, just open the airline app and your boarding pass is right there.
Great. So I do not need to worry about losing the paper one.
Exactly. Your gate is number 20. Boarding starts at 9:30.
Number 20. And what if the gate changes?
The app will tell you. It sends a message right to your phone.
That is so helpful. How early should I be at the gate?
About 30 minutes early is safe. Then you will never miss your flight.
30 minutes. I will be there in good time. How long is the flight?
It's about 8 hours. There will be a meal and a drink on the plane.
8 hours. Then I'm happy I chose the window seat. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful flight.
Now we drop off your big bag here. Put it on this scale.
A scale? Why do they weigh my bag?
Every bag has a weight limit. If it is too heavy, you may pay extra money.
Really? How heavy is too heavy?
It is often 23 kilos. Your bag is fine. Look, 20 kilos.
Lucky me. I was a little worried.
One more thing. Do you have a power bank in your big bag?
My power bank? Yes, I think so. Why?
Take it out and keep it with you. A power bank should not go in a checked bag.
Oh, I did not know that. Good thing you told me.
No problem. Now watch. They put a paper tag on your bag.
Hey, those 3 letters again, just like the board.
Good eye. The tag shows the city code, so your bag goes to the right place.
So even my bag has its own little address?
Exactly. The machines read the code and send it the right way.
And where do I get my bag again after we land?
At baggage claim, the bags come out on a big moving belt.
I have seen those belts in movies. Now I will use one.
Yes, you will. Here, take your bag receipt.
A receipt? What is it for?
If your bag gets lost, this paper helps the airline find it for you.
Smart. I will keep it safe in my pocket. What if a bag breaks easily?
Then you tell the worker. They put a fragile sticker on it. Fragile means it breaks easily, so they handle it with care.
Good to know. My bag only has clothes, so it is fine.
By the way, you look like you are still thinking.
I am still thinking about that board. It is driving me crazy. Just give me one hint.
Okay, one small hint. It's about time, but not the kind on your watch.
Time, but not my watch. Now I'm even more confused.
Be patient. Let's go to security now.
Good morning. Please put your bag and your jacket in this tray.
Okay. Should I take out anything else?
Yes, please take your laptop out and put it in its own tray.
Just the laptop? Why does it need its own tray?
A laptop is thick. In its own tray, the machine can see it clearly.
Oh, I understand. What about my phone and my keys?
Put your phone, your keys, and any coins in the tray too.
Okay. And my belt?
Yes, please take off your belt. It has metal and the machine may beep.
I see. What about my water bottle?
How big is it? We only allow small bottles, 100 milliliters or less. That is a very small bottle.
Mine is much bigger. 500. Is that a problem?
I am sorry, but you cannot take that much water through here.
Really? But it is just water. Why the rule?
For everyone's safety. It is hard to check large bottles quickly, so we keep them small.
That makes sense. I will drink it now and fill it again later.
Good idea. There are free water fountains right after security.
So I can never bring liquid at all.
You can, but only small bottles. Put them together in a clear plastic bag.
A clear bag, so you can see everything inside. That is clever.
Yes, it makes our check fast and easy for everyone.
I have a small hand cream. Is that okay?
If it is small, yes. Put it in the clear bag too.
Perfect. Should I take off my shoes too?
Not today. Just walk through slowly when the light turns green.
Okay, here I go. Did it beep?
No beep. You are all clear. Please take your things from the tray.
Thank you for being so kind about it.
My pleasure. Enjoy your trip.
We made it through. And there is our gate, number 20.
Nice. We have some time before boarding. Now, are you ready for the answer?
The mystery, yes. How can a plane arrive before it leaves?
Look at the board again. Our city and the new city are far apart.
Right, it is a long flight.
The world has many time zones. Each place has its own clock.
Time zones? So the clock in the new city is different from ours?
Yes, when you fly far, the local time changes. Sometimes it even goes back.
Back? So we land and the clock there shows an earlier time?
Exactly. The flight is still long. The clock just shows the new local time.
Wow, so we do not really travel back in time.
No, sadly not. The clock only looks like magic.
That is so cool. But will my body feel strange with the new time?
Maybe a little. People call that jet lag. You may feel sleepy at the wrong time.
Jet lag. I have heard that word. Now I know what it means.
You learned fast. Oh, let me fill my bottle at that fountain first.
Good idea. Mine too. Look, the board now says boarding for our flight.
That means we can get on soon. Do you want to charge your phone first?
Yes. Where can I charge it?
See those seats with the small plugs? You can charge right there.
Found one. I will plug it in for a few minutes.
A full phone is useful on a trip. You can read or watch a movie later.
True. Now, what is that sound at the gate?
That is the gate. They will call us by groups.
Groups? We do not all get on at once?
No, they call group 1 first, then 2, then 3. It keeps things calm.
Smart. What group are we?
Group 3. Let's sit until they call us.
This was a long morning, but I learned so much today.
You did great. You were a little nervous at the start.
I was. This big airport felt scary. Now it feels easy.
That is the secret. Once you know the steps, any airport is the same.
Check in, drop the bag, pass security, find the gate. I can do this alone next time.
I am proud of you. Oh, listen, they are calling Group 3.
That is us. Let's get our boarding passes ready.
Mine is on my phone. Yours is on paper and on your phone.
2 ways, just to be safe.
A smart traveler already. After you.
Thank you. Where do I put my carry-on bag on the plane?
You can put it in the space above your seat or under the seat in front of you.
Above my seat. Got it. Oh, here is my row, the window seat.
Sit down and put on your seatbelt. Then we are ready.
Done. Should I do anything with my phone now?
Yes, turn on airplane mode. It stops the phone from looking for a signal.
Done that too. Why do we do it?
It is the rule on planes. It keeps everything safe during the flight.
I see. The flight crew is closing the doors.
That means everyone is on board. We will leave very soon.
Then I'm ready. Hey, why is it getting dark inside the plane?
They lower the lights for takeoff. It helps your eyes get used to the dark.
So if something happens, we can see better outside.
Right. It's a small safety step that most people never notice.
You really do know everything about airports.
Not everything, but now you know a lot too.
I do. Look out the window. We're about to fly. Best trip ever.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How big can a liquid bottle be to go through airport security? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.